I'm Chris Duke from Motorz TV. I'm here live at the 2009 SEMA Show in Las Vegas to show you how to install a hood strut kit on a 2010 Ford Mustang GT. Classic Design Concepts Hood Strut Kit eliminates the need for a factory hood prop rod and is designed to fit all 2005 to 2010 Ford Mustangs. The brackets are powder coated and available in black or silver. For this installation, you're going to need a flat blade screwdriver, a 10mm deep socket, a ratchet, a pencil, a zip tie, and some cutters.
This may be the most fun I've ever had with my clothes on.
Start by opening up the hood of your Mustang, and right here on the driver's side is this sound tube canister. We've got to relocate this a little bit. So first grab a 13mm socket and remove this bolt right here. After removing this bolt, take off this U-nut that's located right below it. Then you want to remove this bushing that's on top. Remove this rubber isolator just by pushing it out, and then what we're going to have to do is cut off a ½ inch from the middle, because this is going to wind up going on the top here. We've got to make some space there. So we're going to have to cut out about a ½ inch right there. Take your 2 halves of your isolator and put them on top, like so. And take the metal bushing and push it up through the bottom. And then relocate this underneath. And reinstall your bolt. We need to install this body bracket with this ball mount right here. In order to remove this bolt, grab a 10mm deep socket, grab it out. Now, this is the driver's side. Once you're done with this side, go do the passenger side. To install this hood bracket, you want to remove the top 10mm bolt all the way, and then you also want to back out this bottom one about 3/16 of an inch, or just enough for clearance, because this is going to slide in there. Then you're going to replace that bolt. Now you only want to do one side at a time, and before we remove these bolts, I'm going to mark a line on the outside just so we make sure that it lines up properly when we put it back on. Once you've hand tightened these bolts, check for the alignment again and tighten them back down. You might want to double check the alignment after you're done with one side by going ahead and closing the hood, and if you need to tweak it at that time before you go on to the other side. Once your brackets are secure, take the strut and attach it to the ball mounts. There's a couple of clips here that you have to move out a little bit. After you've got this on, you can slide them back in. Now repeat on the passenger side, but note you've got this washer fluid hose. You're going to have to pop that out of here just so you have clearance for that bracket. Optionally, remove the factory prop rod with a 10mm bolt right here, and then carefully and slowly lower the hood, check for alignment. If it's out of place, adjust your brackets a little bit. These hood struts certainly make it a lot easier to open and close a hood of your Mustang. Now, for more information, head on over to classicdesignconcepts.com, and for more of our videos, check out Motorz.tv. We'll catch you next time. Visit the Motorz TV website to win free parts, request a free sticker for your ride, post on our forums, and watch more episodes. www.motorz.tv